Look at my compost pile right there. It's looking not too good right now. But the oak trees, look at that one, look at that one. Look at the apple tree, looking good. Look at the lemon tree. Look at the avocado tree right there. And there's the other oak right there. That one looks pretty good. And right here we have the peach. It's just doing okay. It's about a year and a half old maybe. And right here we have the garden with some corn. See, and we got some melons right there, some bell peppers and some jalapenos. But it's pretty much flooded. It's most of it underwater. But I think it'll be okay, hopefully. And we have some papayas here. More papayas, and here's an orange tree that is about probably 6-7 months old maybe. And we have some banana there. See? Hopefully it'll do fine.